Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to create AutoCAD 3D scale command. Basically, the scale is generally used for 1 time, 2 time, 3 times increase our component as per our drawing and as per our sheet. Which type of sheet selection is also depend for how many scale in our diagram. Just like uh, you have selection A0, A1, A3, A2, A4. So like depend on this our sheet selection. Then after I will go to scale in particular section and particular planning, particular elevation. Now let's go. First of all, when I go to create the rectangle here, so when first of all create here one simple rectangle, start from the view, and how many distance we will provide. When I go to de-enter, then I will provide the 1000 and also provide the 1000. Look at this, make our rectangle right now. When I will show you the dimension here, if look at this, when I go to here annotation, I want get dimension, so we will take particular dimension right now. We will select this point and also select this point and get the dimension right now. Same thing again, I will show you this point to this point, I will get the dimension. Now this is not visible proper when I get selection this body here and property PR enter. When it's become a property right now, and increase the dimension size and height, we will go to increase dimension size. So when I provide the color right now, particular color we will give here, then also provide particular color. Then again I will come from down direction and give the height and distance here. When text height, this is text height here, when we will provide the text height in 150, it's a bigger and 150. So when I get the reduce 75, then after I will apply any different process above. Then also again I will come from down direction. When I will go to primary unit here, primary unit, when I will reduce the precision right now, then here you can see that the dimension is going change in particular height. Okay, then also I will go to select this component and after go to home page and extrude right now. Then how many extrude we will provide, and I will go to also we will provide 1200. So it is like the make for solid body here. When I will change from here the shaded in AutoCAD 3D form, look at this, it's like a shaded part in AutoCAD 3D component, but there is not a, this is the, when I go to put down in any sheet area. So first of all, when I get select this scale right now, we without scale have not when I get scale. So first of all, when I move to here, this one is 3D scale. So when enter the 3D scale, then select this body and again press enter, and which area you can select, then after go to scale. So this particular point you have get the select. Okay, then also select body, anywhere selection, this one. Here selection this one, and also select body here. Then look at this, here you can see that our scaling process we will change right now. And which axis do you want to increase the number of value? When I go to change, we will provide 2 times increase. Look at this, our dimension 1000 is directly converted 2000. Another one I have go to create in another box. Here box will be create in simple right now. When I show you dimension here, so when I go to annotation, this is align dimension. When select the align dimension, click the point and also click the point, this one. Same thing again I will show you, this is here. When I want to match this length value, so control MA enter, press the MA enter. When also select this line and also select this line, this is called match property. This is 2298, this one is distance, and also 2084. When I get the scale this whole component, so first of all I have select this whole body, then after go to home page, and this one is scale 3D AutoCAD scale. When enter AutoCAD 3D scale, then select this whole body, not the select this one and this one and this one. When just click and select this point and this point and this point, so this type of selection, right? Okay, then also I will get the number of value I have put down, 3 times increase in our body. So look at this comparison between 3 times has been increased, so the dimension right now. So it is very easy to create in AutoCAD 3D scaling work. This is very useful for scaling because there are the many different component is available here. So when get easy from to scale in AutoCAD. So today has completed the session in. Please do like and subscribe our channel.